If you want to anchor in a certain terminology into the listener, you must learn to anchor it into that listener. Because again, the greatest sin of communication is being easily forgettable. So whenever I talk about bounce forward, I always actually put a pause before I say it, pause after I say it, same tonality and even the same gestures. And that's a really, really great way to anchor in that terminology into the listener.
And this is one of the little things that you are looking for when you are giving your pitch, when you are interacting with people, to know that you've sort of created that sort of engagement, is you are looking for people either leaning in, which basically says, tell me more, or you're looking for the eyebrow raise. People go, oh, that's interesting. Come on, join me up here. I'll make sure I pronounce your name right. So, from an observation point of view, I want to show you now how you can tell if rapport has been built.
So now they're getting paid for it, they're on the platform. Now whether they're on the platform here or they're in an augmented reality game, and then you've got things like interactive virtual billboards, where maybe the gameplay is that you've actually got to break down the sign. You got to smash the sign down in order to earn some crypto.
And I felt that there's a special type of people. They, one, understands financial market.
Welcome to the High Class Hippie TV. I am your host, Michelle Wilson, and today we are talking about being in full alignment with the person that you are. And today I'm here with my magical, amazing, and fabulous friend, Daniel Malloy. Now, Dan, I have been friends with for years, since we were teens, yeah? Yeah. And Dan is actually an amazing photographer now, and he does all of my photography, which we've actually been doing today as well.
You know, my life has been very uniquely blessed. I get to travel the world speaking on stage to tens of thousands of people. I get to work one-on-one with very unique and specific individuals. I get to lead a team of coaches, coaching people around the world.
What is the impact if you have poor leadership, do you think, in business today?
Well, success starts at leadership. That's where it starts. And within organizations, large organizations, small organizations, people make your money in your organization. So what you need to do is you need to set these people up for success.
Okay, and there may be a deal in there, but it might be 1 or 2 deals a year. But what we're wanting is, okay, and by being able to be quick at analysing them, then we'll be the ones that grab them before everybody else does. So that said, let the games begin.